I'll be honest with you, I've been a little nervous to open this package, and therefore it's taken me a little bit longer. I feel like this is just insane. Before I get into it, hi, hello, I'm Courtney Quarantine. I'm a full-time content creator, variety streamer, and makeup artist. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Or if you're returning, hi bestie, thanks so much. If you like makeup content or you like gaming or anything like that, please check out my socials. I will link them in the description down below. But I need to get into this kind of immediately because I've been putting it off for way too long. It's one of those things where I feel like it feels like too good to be true. This is from Lisa Edridge Beauty, and someone from their team reached out to me and asked if I was interested in receiving some products because we had similar interests and our kind of like mentality on certain things aligned, i.e. like sustainability and just kind of like treasuring certain beauty stuff. I actually thought that that was not a real email for the longest time. I do apologize that it's taken me so long to open this. I just needed to like mentally prepare. Yep, yeah. So I'm gonna see what's inside of this box and maybe try. I removed the lip I had on because I have a sneaking suspicion that there might be a lip inside, but I could be wrong. But let's see. Lisa Edridge. It says Lisa Edridge on this. Dude. My shipping boxes and tissue papers are recyclable. Please recycle them. I will. With a smiley face. That's so cute. Love, Lisa X. Lisa, I love you. I'm gonna start crying. What? An enhancing tint. I was literally just talking about how I wanted a skin tint that actually worked well. Lip pencil. Lip pencils. Multiple. Hit and Flip liquid eyeliner in black. Oh, Lisa, you know me so well. Melting lip color. Sweet Fig and Metropolis. Oh my god. 2C and 2N. Well, everything looks gorgeous. Let me just say. T1. My god, this is so nice. Let's see what this looks like. I just kind of want to see the packaging of this skin tint. Oh, I'm absolutely going to use this immediately. Seamless Skin. You shake it. Oh my god, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. I'm gonna see what 2C looks like first. I have definitely looked at this makeup online lots of times. For lots of hours, probably. Is there something else in here? Hello? Oh, that's so nice. It does come with a sharpener. That is so nice. Oh, that's such a luxe detail. Also, just like the little details in the packaging, like the little L, the little logo, which by the way, that logo is so cute. What? Like, what a freaking icon, seriously. Okay, lip sculpt. Sculpt and shape lip pencil 2C. Ooh, that looks cute. It looks like a cute mauve. I like that it's a sharpenable one too. Obviously, with sharpener, duh. I'm just gonna throw it on. Yeah. Oh, that's smooth. Wow. Texture-wise, it's not super creamy, but it's not super dry either. That is a really pretty shade. That is a really pretty shade. It feels like it has enough glide without it being too slippery. Ooh, but it can blend still when I rub my lips together. Ooh, okay. That seems like the happy medium kind of texture that I do like. So very pleased with that already. I do want to try one of these as well, the melting lip color. I think they have like a velvet finish for some of their lips too, which I find gorgeous. I love a velvet or like a plush kind of, oh my god. This packaging, expensive, nice. I feel rich. You know what I mean? It's weighted without being like so weighted that it feels obnoxious. This just feels lush, dude. Oh my god, I feel like, ooh. This is the shade Sweet Fig, again with the lovely details. I just think, wow. Oh my god, that color. Yeah. It's a lovely like nudish brown, a little bit of mauve in it. Yeah. Ooh. It has like a sweet light vanilla scent. Maybe vanilla. It might be something different, but it's a very subtle sweet scent. It doesn't smell like sweet candy either. It smells like sweet, warm kind of scent, if you know what I mean? Ooh. Ooh. Oh. It feels luxurious. It feels like a lovely pigmented balm. It's not sticky. It is a rather warm lip. Let me see what the other shade just looks like in the tube, this Metropolis one. Usually you've seen me go for more cool tones because I do love them, but I have to say that this is really pretty. Like it feels kind of like decadent almost, like all of this. This one's very pretty. This one's very stunning. I know myself, if I don't use this now, I'm gonna wait for 6 more months until I feel like I am allowed to touch this or to use this. I'm going to put this on my lips right now. I accidentally removed most of the lip liner, but oh well. I need to try this. Right now. Literally right now. Ah, yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, that is stunning. There's no gathering. There's no weirdness. Oh my God. Oh my God. That is really pretty. That is really, really pretty. Here are the swatches just on the back of my hand of Sweet Fig and then Metropolis. These are really stunning. They're very like, I don't know how to describe them really, other than just like a gorgeously pigmented balm that doesn't feel sticky or heavy. I think I'm really gonna love pairing these with like a black lip liner. That's how I typically wear like kind of lips like this, but even just alone, that Metropolis shade, woo! This package just kind of feels a little bit more personalized just because obviously there's more lips than anything else. There is a liner, which I do love, and I wear black liquid liner dang near every day, and a skin tint, which I was just talking about how I wanted, so I don't imagine that Lisa herself packaged this, but whoever did, thank you so much. This feels really, really sweet. This also feels like everything just feels so nice. This feels so luxurious. And I don't know, this really feels like a special treat on so many levels for me. The more I have this lip on, the more I'm absolutely obsessed with it. And I'm glad I opened the second one now and just used it now so that I can continue to enjoy both of these in the time to come. I really like the message behind a lot of the things that like Lisa Eldridge like talks about, especially with the beauty thing about like more is not necessarily more and the better thing. I just feel like it feels a little bit more intentional, and just the way that they speak about like beauty in and of itself, it feels like luxurious and intentional and like purposeful instead of just like having a bunch of stuff to have a bunch of stuff. I don't know. This is really special. I really, really enjoyed this. I feel like I'm really gonna like the other things. It just feels very quality. This lip also feels very hydrating on my lips, like as I'm sitting here. And my lips were really chapped. I'm not gonna lie, my lips were really chapped. But anyway, if you have tried anything from Lisa Eldridge Beauty, please let me know. I would love to hear your favorites because I have been looking at those velvet lips a lot. Lisa Eldridge Makeup, thank you. Thank you so much for these. As always, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup and beauty content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! No big deal, getting a package from Lisa Eldridge Makeup. Okay. Whew.